guys, welcome back. We are doing something a little bit different today, in a little different place. If you couldn't tell by the surroundings here, we're in southwest Oklahoma fishing Lake Lawtonka. Hopefully gonna catch some brown bass, some smallmouth. My wife's family's down around here, and you know, they got a baby shower today, and I thought, hey, I'd bring the boat down and do some, hopefully put some brown bass in the boat while they're having all that fun. So come along, it should be a good one. Fish on, finally. Little bitty smallie, but it's the first fish of the day. Let's get him in the boat. He's a strong little guy. There we go, that's what we came for. It's the right kind of fish anyway. Not the right size, but hey. It is a little beautiful bronzy. That's a white bass. That's a white bass. There's a fish. It's a better fish too. If it's a smallie, it's a nice one. I think it might be a largie. Yeah, it's a largie. No, it's not. It's a real nice smallmouth. There we go. Didn't have him hooked real good, and he ain't even really that nice, but there you go. That's a nice, 13 incher, a little over a pound probably. Tough to beat that backdrop, ain't it? Beautiful fish. Let's let him go. There we go. Weeds. There's a fish. Ain't very big. But hey, he's the right kind, and we got the net out, so let's go ahead and make some use of it, huh? Another pretty little smallie. Damn it. Shit, I'd have better luck landing him by hand. And the pretty little smallmouth. Little bitty guy. Let's throw him back. This is a nicer fish. This is a nicer fish. I hope it's a smallmouth. Here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. These are some pretty decent head shakes. I haven't seen it yet, but man, it is pulling drag. It's pulling drag. Still pulling drag. Still pulling drag. Man, this is a big fish. I don't know what it is. It's got to be a big smallie. Whatever it is real big. Holy cow. Oh, what? Did I snag something? Oh, damn it. I snagged a carp? You got to be kidding me. That's so disappointing. Oh my gosh. I snagged a freaking carp. Big carp too. Big old carp. Let me see if I can. Dang, that is disappointing. Oh my gosh, I thought I caught a monster smallmouth. Oh shit, there he goes, and he's off. Dang it. That is so disappointing. Hey guys, back in Missouri, back down in the basement. Just finished editing that video from Oklahoma. Didn't catch a pile of fish. Conditions weren't ideal, obviously, as you saw, the wind and the rain. Made it a little tough to do as much running. I wanted to do some running and gunning, fishing some spots I'd, researched on the topo maps, but it just didn't seem too appealing in those conditions, so trolled the banks near the launch, basically. Was able to put a few fish in the boat. Thought I was going to be able to put a real special fish there in the boat before I got that carp up and saw what it was. But it was fun the minute or two before I got it up, and really got the adrenaline pumping there. Thought it was going to be a real special fish. Most of the fish I caught came on the Megabass Vision 110 in the Wagasaki color. Caught one or two on the Bitsy Bug jig that I was fishing on some steeper drops, and some of the sandier spots with the more sparse rock, where I wasn't going to get hung up in that real chunky rock. But that's all. I think that's all I got for this one. If you're ever down there in those Wichita mountains, there are smallmouth down there if you want to give them a try. It's a beautiful place. But until next time, good luck, stay safe, cheers.